Nissan's intelligent key system, while convenient, can experience various errors that frustrate drivers. Understanding these errors is essential for effective troubleshooting. The most common manifestation is the no key detected warning, but iKey errors can also cause intermittent starting issues, push-button start malfunctions, and door lock failures. The iKey system relies on radio frequency communication between the key fob and vehicle. Key fobs transmit encrypted signals at either 315 or 433 MHz frequencies. The system consists of several key components: the body control module that processes signals, an antenna network throughout the vehicle, and integration with the main electrical system. iKey errors have four primary causes. Battery-related issues account for 40% of problems, including weak key fob batteries or vehicle electrical issues. RF interference causes 25% of errors, often from smartphones, medical devices, or environmental sources like radio towers. Hardware failures represent 20% of issues, typically involving faulty antenna modules or body control module malfunctions. Software and programming issues account for the remaining 15%, including corrupted key programming and system synchronization errors. Newer Nissan models from 2022 onwards feature enhanced diagnostic capabilities. These systems provide more specific error codes and improved self-diagnostic functions, making troubleshooting more precise and effective. Understanding these iKey system fundamentals and common error causes provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting and repair. When your Nissan iKey system shows errors, start with these three quick reset methods that resolve 68% of common issues. Method 1 involves removing the key fob battery completely for 10 minutes, then reinstalling it. This clears temporary memory errors and has a 45% success rate. If Method 1 fails, try Method 2, the vehicle system reset. This addresses deeper electrical system issues. Method 3 is manual override programming. This bypasses the wireless system and directly communicates with the vehicle's computer. When quick fixes fail, professional diagnostics are required. Technicians use specialized tools to identify specific system failures. Prevention is better than repair. Following these maintenance practices can prevent most iKey system errors from occurring. Service technicians should perform iKey system health checks during routine maintenance and keep control module software updated to prevent future issues.